Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix no internet secured on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and you need to type internet options. Now you will find internet options under the best match. Click on that. Now once this window is up, you need to click on the Connections tab. And here you will find the local area network LAN settings. Click on that button. Here, make sure that automatically detect settings this is enabled. Use a proxy server for your LAN. Make sure that is disabled. Click on OK and then click on OK again. Now for the next method, right click at the start button and here you have to select run. Now here in the run window, simply type ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. Now here in the network connections window, you need to locate your connection. Make a right click, then you have to select properties. Then here you need to make sure that the IPv6 is disabled. So you need to make sure that IPv6 is not enabled by simply unchecking this. And then click on the Internet Protocol version 4, click on Properties. Make sure that you select the first options, obtained in a server address automatically and obtain an IP address automatically. Click on OK and close this. Then right click on your connection, select Disable, and then wait for some time. Then make a right click, select Enable. And you will be reconnected into your connection. Then close this. For the next method is we need to click on the start button. Click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply look for network and internet, and here you will find advanced network settings. Here you will find network reset, so click on the reset now button. This will reinstall then all your network adapters and set other networking components back to the original settings. If you click on yes, this will restart your Windows and you will have to re-enter your connection password. So make sure that you remember your connection password. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.